Hey there, Tia Silvesi, Florida-friendly landscaping agent with University of Florida IFAS Extension in Orange County. And today I'm going to show you how to plant wildflowers in a container like this grow box here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to scuff up your soil a little bit. I have this little trowel thing, and just kind of break the soil, make sure it's loose. This is the same thing you would be doing in your garden, with a rake. So then go ahead and smooth the soil out. It should be kind of nice and light and fluffy. And then you want to take your seeds, and thank you Revival Gardening for donating these seed packs to our program. They contain a nice mix of native plants such as Coreopsis and non-native plants like Cosmos and Zinnias, so that you'll get some early blooms, you'll get some later blooms, and that will provide abundant food in the form of pollen and nectar for your beneficial insects like your bees and your butterflies. So you want to sprinkle the seeds evenly over the whole area of your planting container, and one little pack of seeds like this will cover about 2 square feet. And so sprinkle them out, try to get it evenly throughout the whole area, and then the final thing you want to do is to pat them in. So this will make good contact with the seeds in the soil. The seeds are kind of small, so they don't need to be really buried deeply. You can kind of poke them in with your fingers a little bit. Another method is just to take a little bit extra potting soil and very lightly sprinkle the potting soil over the area to cover the seeds. So I hope you learned how to plant wildflowers, and I hope you'll plant some in your garden at home.